Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Everyday E-Learning. Now in today's video of digital logic design, we are going to get introduced with don't care conditions and how can we implement them using K-maps and prepare a simplified function. Now we are given the table that you can see on the left side on my screen, and we have to implement that using K-maps and find out a simplified function. Now I have prepared the K-map box beforehand, and I'll just put on the variable names A, B, C, D, and I'll quickly fill in the values. So I can see 1 in these positions, and here I have x's, and the remainings are zeros. Now before I move on to grouping, I'd like to include a note here that a group can be formed with 2, 4, 8 or even 16 combinations, and in a group there can be combination of ones and x's, no problem with that. So I can see that in the lower portion of my K-map box I have these whole portion together, from which I can form one group pretty easily because we have this rule forming group including ones and x's together. So this will be a large group, and then there is another group here consisting of 1x and 1 1. Now I will write in soft format the simplified expression. Now let me first observe the larger group. In the larger group I can see that the only unchanged variable is a. You can see on the left side, so I have to write here a plus. In the smaller group consisting of 1 and x, I can see that c and d is completely unchanged, and from the left side I can see that b is also unchanged, so I can write here b, c and d. Alright, now let me move on to the next example. Now in this example we are given a function consisting of 4 variables a, b, c, d, and we are given this one in terms of mean term. Now you know this symbol indicates mean terms. Now as this indicate mean terms, we know that mean term evaluates 1, so we can put on ones in these respective positions in the K-map box that we are given below. So we'll have 1 here, 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 here and here as well. So we'll consider we do not have any don't cares in this function, so we can just put on zeros in all the other boxes. Now I'm putting on zeros because of a reason that I'll show at the end of this simplification. Now let me form the groups. At first I can see that I have ones in box number 0, 2, 8, 10, and these are the 4 corners. I can easily form groups taking these. So one group is formed consisting of all the ones taken from the 4 corners, and I can also form another group taking these 2 ones. Now I can also see that I have 2 ones here and here. Now I can take a folded group from here, folded group consisting of the 4 ones from box number 0, 1, 8 and 9. So I could find total one group consisting of all the 4 ones from the corners, another group consisting of these 2 ones, and another group from the folded part consisting of box number 0, 1, 8 and 9. Now I'll write the simplified form f equal to. Now let me take the group consisting of 4 ones in the 4 corners first. Now I can see that in the 4 corners the unchanged variable is at first d, so I'll just write here d, and d is 0 unchanged, so I'll include d naught. And in the left side I can see that the unchanged is b, and it also has the value 0, so that's b naught d naught. Now let me take on this group consisting of the 2 ones in this one. So I can see that c and d is unchanged here, so c naught and d, and if I see on the left side I can see that a is unchanged here, So I'll just include a naught. Now the remaining group, that is the folded group of box number 0189, I can find that C is unchanged and on the left side B is unchanged. So I can write B naught and C naught as both are 0 unchanged. Now this is the simplified function. I can write a bit more simplified way: A naught C naught D plus B naught and C naught. Now from this I can also write the function in terms of max terms. So f can also be expressed as max terms. That is why I just included zeros here. So when f is expressed in terms of max terms, it is this symbol of pi that indicates max terms, and the corresponding box numbers here are 3, 4, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is how you can perform simplification involving don't cares and ones together. I hope the topic is clear to you. If you have any confusion, feel free to write down below. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.